Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. So let's see what this month has for us. Okay. So I've told you guys this before, but in case you're new to this subscription, this here is a piece of paper that has a link to a video tutorial or a PDF file. They've gone back and forth with it, but I like both ways. They're both very easy to follow, the instructions. So this might be a gift. They did this last year. Let me see. Stuck. Is this a coupon? Yeah, this is a coupon. I think everybody might get one of these. And I'm not going to show you it because then you'll have my little coupon code there. But in this little cute little card thing, there is a little coupon in there. So anyways, let's see what we have in here. What are the colors going to be? So we have some gold bead stringing wire, which I just used that color this morning. And we have a gold bead here. This is a huge check fire polish bead. Absolutely enormous. It might be like 16, 18 millimeter. One side's gold and the other side's transparent. It's really gorgeous. That's a beautiful bead right there. And then the next thing is, it's going to drive me crazy. More beads. These look like 10 millimeter check fire polish bead, again in gold. But is this one full gold all the way around? That's half coated. This one's full coated. That is such a bright, vibrant gold. It actually looks like the color of 10 karat gold. To me, it doesn't look like a fake cheesy gold. It actually looks like real gold. And then we have, here's another one. This is a different gold. This one looks like that amber, that one seller I get stuff from, they call it amber full, something like that. Everybody calls their bead colors by a different name, I swear. It's hard to keep up. Anyways, those are also pretty. That one I want to say seems more like a plating. This one here and that one there I think is more of a coating. Because if you look at the end of the bead, you'll see there's a coating on it. It looks like paint on the end. But this one, that one's plated. Yeah, just by looking at the end you can tell. And then here we have some more. These are just a little bit smaller. If I put the code in on this bag right there, it'll tell me what the size is. So in case you ever get one of these subscriptions and you love something in it, you can reorder it. These are big, and again, those there are coated. See the end there? It's like paint. That's how you can tell if it's coated or plated. You can look at the end. But wow, those are big. Is this going to be a graduated necklace? I'm going to make a wild guess. I have been right a couple times. I'm thinking it might be a graduated gold necklace. Here are some more. Those might be 12 millimeter. These ones are fully coated. And then we have some crimp tubes. Is this going to be earrings this time? Let's see. I know last Christmas they had a necklace, a bracelet, and earrings. They usually do 2. But last Christmas there was 3 projects. That was like the bonus thing. So there's crimp tubes. And then we have a 4 millimeter jump ring. And then a 6 millimeter split ring. A gold lobster claw clasp. There's just one. So what's the other thing going to be in this kit? Is it going to be earrings? We have a chain there for an adjustable necklace or bracelet. Don't know yet. We have gold 80 seed beads. And then we have 4mm hematite color check fire polish beads. No, 3, not 4. Those are 3. And then we have 4mm gold check fire polish beads again. And then we have crimp covers, and there's 4 of them. So, what's that? There's so much in here. These are 2 ball head pins. And we have some hematite colored rondelles. These are really cool. I like how it's flat on one side. I just did them not too long ago in a project. And because of how they're shaped, it was like really neat to play with their shape in that project I made. Oh, these are cool. This is a square bead that has a center hole. It's kind of like a disc, but the hole is in the middle. Whoa, what are those? Those aren't hematite. That's something else. It's very bright. It's brighter than hematite color or gunmetal color. Those are cool. I wonder if it's coated, if it's like a clear bead with a coating on it. But they look really bright to me. They're not dark like the hematite. And I like those. And then we have check ripples. Yes. Oh, in case you didn't know, all of the beads in this box are check beads. All of them. These are ripples. I think this is a 12mm bead. And this looks darker to me than these. These are more silver-like. So I don't know what that finish is, but it's very pretty. I like it. They actually sound like the hematite beads. How it has that noise it makes. Have you ever had hematite rocks? I have some. And when you have them together and you let them touch and you like move them around your hands, they make a weird noise. Not like regular rocks. They make a different pinging noise. It's really cool. And we have more of these huge beads. Wow, there are so many of these. This one, there is like one of each size. These look like the same size, but those are not fully coated. And these here are. They're coated all the way around. Is this going to be a long necklace? Here's some more. These are so big. Last month, this subscription had a black and white necklace. That piece, I made that piece because, you know, I opened this box. I have no idea what's inside. But at the beginning of this video, I always have a picture of the completed project. So what I do is, after I open this box, later on tonight or the next day, I will put the pieces together and I'll take a picture and I'll post it in the video. But at this time, I have no idea what this project is going to be. But anyways, the last month's box, that necklace and bracelet was so cool. It was really heavy. If you didn't see last month's box and you're interested in this box, because you do get some really neat designs, go back and look at last month's. That necklace was incredible. These are so big. They do a lot of some of my favorite beads. Picasso beads in this box. There's 2 more 4mm check fire polish beads, and the coolest ear wires I have ever seen. I love these. So it's gonna be earrings and a necklace. These are the coolest. I love those. Look at those. I've never seen those before, but I really like those. Okay, and there's still more stuff in the box. It is endless. This color is different. It has more clear in it. Oh wow, that's really pretty. I like this bead. There is the smallest amount of gold on it, but it really makes the bead gorgeous. Do you see how just right there it's just a little bit of gold? I'm going to put up to the light. The bead is clear, but it kind of looks like it's a smoky quartz color to me. Maybe it's because of the gold, how the gold's on it. But those are gorgeous. I think those might be my favorite ones out of all this here. Because I've never seen that before. I always like weird, unusual, different things. That's just how I am. And then we have hematite colored, more check fire polish beads. Again, these are big. These are pretty. So I guess this is going to be this color with the gold, which is very pretty. Have I done... I think I did a bracelet back in the day that had these two colors together. Gold and hematite, but I'm not sure if I did. No, maybe it was gold and black. Was it the mystical beaded bracelets? Something like that? Very long time ago. Probably over 5 years ago I did a tutorial on a piece doing colors like this. Because I don't do colors like this often. Anyways, that's everything in a box. I'm going to lay it all out so you can see all of the stuff that you're getting. Here's everything all laid out. There's a lot of stuff here. I like the color combinations a lot. I think it's going to be very pretty, whatever this design is. Earrings and necklaces is what I'm thinking. But yeah, the colors are very pretty together. And I'm excited to play with it and see what it looks like. Now, of course, you guys already know what it looks like because you're in the future and I made this project and I have a picture at the beginning and end. So anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Remember, I will have a link for this subscription box, the BohemStyle subscription box, down there below in the description bar. You can click on that link and go subscribe to this box and make you some beautiful jewelry. Really good quality check bead jewelry. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure that you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And check me out on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.